Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to create an Uber account. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Uber app. Here, as you can see, right after opening our Uber app, we'll be on the page where it is said that move with safety. On the below, you'll be able to see option get started. Simply tap on it. Here you'll be able to sign up on your Uber account using your phone number or your social media platforms such as Google, Facebook, or your email address. Here I will be using my phone number. If convenient, you can also use your Google, Facebook, or email address. After you're done typing your phone number, tap on continue. You'll get a code from your Uber application that you'll have to type here. On the next page, here you'll have to type your email address. Once you're done typing your email address, tap on next. You'll be sent a 4-digit code on your email address. And just like that, here as you can see, you have successfully created your Uber account. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.